YouTube. Guys might be wondering why I'm outside sitting in the Honda CR-V, but today is a very simple video. It's gonna be real quick, and it's how to change out the infamous cabin air filter. So if you're wondering what model this is, it's a CF11182, and it fits this car perfectly. And it's a little bit about the Honda CR-V cabin air filter. Is this car, it has about 28,000 miles and it has never been changed. So I'm gonna change it out today just to see the difference between the one that's in the car now and the one I'm gonna put in. But from what I understand, the previous owner didn't really use the AC. They rode with the windows down. But yeah, man, so let's get started in this video, shall we? All right, so the easiest way to take this off, first thing you want to do is you want to open the glove box. Once you open the glove box, there's a little tab right here on the right hand side. You want to push that tab down, and once you push that tab down, you're going to use both hands and you're going to squeeze this part in together. And then once this part here falls down, it's going to give you complete access to what's inside. And this is what you want to take off. Keep note that the arrows are facing up. So when you put this back on, you want the arrows to be facing up. Wow, and then I took out the air filter and it's completely clean. It's not dirty at all. I think I'm gonna ride around with this a little longer. But just in case anybody out there want to know how to change it, oh, it does have little dirt speckles inside. I'm gonna go ahead and change it anyway. So let's open the box. Oh, this one looks like it's a better quality Velcro. Oh, and it has Febreze, absorbs odor. Yeah, I'm gonna install this one then. All right, so let's take this out of the plastic. New car smell. All right, so it has an arrow. Okay, so the airflow is supposed to be going that way, but as you saw, the little tab, the air is gonna go up. So this has to go in just like this, so the air can get pushed up into here and out of this side. So I'm gonna put this in like this. Okay, and then I guess I don't need this one. This looks like a Walmart version. It's all good. Then we're gonna put this back in. This faces up. It should lock into place. And then push these two tabs back in. Don't forget to put this latch here and then pull up like that. Close. Okay, don't forget to put this latch here back where it was. Lock it into place like that. And then close, and then you're done. And that's the video. So I want to thank you guys for watching this 2017 Honda CR-V cabin air filter replacement. Have a great day.